Tired of serving dry, overcooked chicken or guessing if your steak is perfectly medium rare? First up, we have a heavy-duty lifter that completely eliminates the guesswork of backyard grilling. This tool solves the issue of slow, inaccurate readings by delivering precise temperatures in just 1 to 2 seconds on its bright blue backlit display. It comes pre-calibrated right out of the box and features an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning you can wash it under running water without worry. Backyard barbecue enthusiasts who love cooking late into the night will find this exceptionally useful. Imagine searing thick ribeyes on a dark patio and instantly knowing they are exactly 135 degrees. Next, at number 2, this ultra-fast device is built for cooks who demand absolute precision and zero waiting time. It solves the frustration of burning your hands over a hot grill by utilizing a professional thermocouple sensor that clocks speeds at an insane 0.5 seconds. You also get a handy temperature lock feature and an innovative auto-flipping backlit screen that is perfect for left-handed chefs. Home cooks who value speed and technical accuracy above all else will absolutely love this gadget. Picture yourself checking a delicate caramel sauce on the stove and getting an instant, precise readout before the sugar burns. Now for number 3, this rugged option is designed to survive the chaotic environment of a busy kitchen or outdoor smokehouse. It solves the annoyance of constantly dead batteries thanks to a massive 4,000-hour battery life and a motion-activated wake system.
The durable ABS housing protects it from accidental drops, while the IP67 waterproof seal makes cleanup a breeze. This is the ideal choice for weekend warriors who run marathon smoking sessions and need reliable gear. Think about leaving this in your drawer for months, pulling it out for a massive brisket cook, and having it wake up instantly. Coming in at number 4, this versatile gadget solves the struggle of managing multiple dishes at once with its unique dual-probe design. It features a fast 3-second reading speed, a convenient temperature lock, and a built-in alarm that alerts you when your food hits the target temperature. You can easily store it on your fridge using the built-in magnet, and the handle even features quick reference cooking temperatures. Busy home cooks preparing large family feasts will appreciate this extra level of control. Imagine roasting a whole turkey in the oven while using the second probe to check your side dishes simultaneously. And finally, number 5, this user-friendly device is perfect for anyone who hates memorizing target temperatures. It solves the constant need to look up cooking charts by printing a handy doneness guide directly onto the handle. The thermometer powers on automatically when you unfold the probe and delivers accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. Anyone starting their culinary journey or looking for a reliable, no-nonsense kitchen tool will benefit from this layout. Imagine frying fish on the stove and simply glancing at the handle to confirm the safe internal temp without washing your hands to check your phone.
Make sure to check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on all of these awesome thermometers. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming kitchen gear guides. Let me know in the comments which one of these you are adding to your cart, or what tool you want me to review next. Happy grilling, and I will see you in the next video.